Let's discuss energy-efficient and versatile lighting options suitable for a high-end shop. For flush mount fixtures, consider LED panel lights. These are energy efficient and provide uniform light distribution, and they are available in various sizes to accommodate different mounting locations. Another option is Tate fluorescent fixtures. They are still highly efficient and offer a wide range of options for wattage and light output. When choosing Tate fixtures, consider those with electronic ballasts for improved performance. If the shop has high ceilings, high bay LED fixtures are a good choice. These are designed for high ceilings and provide targeted lighting with a high lumen output for optimal workspace illumination. Metal halide fixtures are a traditional option that offers high light output, but they are less energy efficient than LED options. Now let's explore control options for versatility. Dimming controls allow for adjustable light levels to suit different tasks and create ambience. Motion sensors automatically turn on lights when someone enters the shop, saving energy when it is unoccupied. Smart lighting uses wireless lighting systems that can be controlled remotely, set schedules, and change color temperatures. Considering the needs of a high-end shop, a combination of flush mount and high bay LED fixtures is recommended. Use LED panel lights for general ambient lighting and high bay fixtures for targeted workspace illumination. Dimming control should be implemented to adjust light intensity for different activities, such as detail work or general shop maintenance. Motion sensors are also beneficial to conserve energy when the shop is unoccupied. If possible, consider incorporating skylights to introduce natural light into the design, reducing daytime lighting needs. It is important to choose high color rendering index lighting. Select light sources with a color rendering index of 90 or higher for enhanced color accuracy and detail visibility. Aim for uniform light distribution, ensuring even illumination throughout the shop to minimize eye strain and create a more comfortable work environment. Some additional considerations should be made as well. LED fixtures have a longer lifespan and require less maintenance than other lighting options. While energy-efficient lighting may have a higher initial investment, it can save significant money on energy bills over time. It is recommended to have lighting fixtures installed by a qualified electrician to ensure proper wiring and safety. Let's go over those points again, but in more detail. Firstly, LED panel lights are an excellent choice for flush mount fixtures because they provide a bright, even light distribution across a wide area. This is crucial in a workshop environment where consistent lighting is needed to avoid shadows and ensure accurate color representation, especially important for tasks like custom cabinet making or art and sculpture creation. These panels come in various sizes and color temperatures, allowing you to customize the lighting to match the specific needs of different areas in the shop. Secondly, Tate fluorescent fixtures are another viable option, especially if budget is a concern. While not as energy efficient as LED, they are still significantly better than older lighting technologies like incandescent bulbs. Look for Tate fixtures with electronic ballasts, as these are more efficient and produce less flicker than older magnetic ballasts. Tates are available in a wide range of wattages and color temperatures, so you can select the appropriate fixtures for different tasks. Thirdly, for high ceilings, high bay LED fixtures are the ideal solution. These fixtures are designed to provide powerful, focused light from a distance, ensuring that the work area is well illuminated. They are particularly useful for areas where detailed work is performed, such as canoe building or sculpture assembly. High bay LED come in various beam angles, allowing you to customize the light distribution to suit the specific needs of the space. Fourthly, dimming controls are essential for creating a versatile lighting system. These controls allow you to adjust the light level to match the task at hand, reducing eye strain and improving comfort. For example, you might want to dim the lights when performing general shop maintenance or when creating a relaxing ambience for clients visiting the shop. Dimming controls can be installed on individual fixtures or on groups of fixtures, providing maximum flexibility. Fifthly, motion sensors are a great way to save energy and reduce costs. These sensors automatically turn off the lights when no one is in the area, preventing energy waste. They are particularly useful in areas that are not frequently used, such as storage rooms or restrooms. Motion sensors can be programmed to turn off the lights after a set period of inactivity, further optimizing energy savings. Sixthly, smart lighting systems offer a wide range of advanced features and benefits. These systems allow you to control the lights remotely using a smartphone or tablet. You can also set schedules to automatically turn the lights on and off at specific times, further reducing energy consumption. Smart lighting systems often include features like color temperature control, allowing you to adjust the color of the light to match the task at hand. Seventhly, when selecting lighting for a high-end shop, it is important to consider the color rendering index. CRI is a measure of how accurately a light source renders colors compared to natural sunlight. A CRI of 90 or higher is recommended for tasks that require accurate color perception, such as painting or woodworking. High CRI lighting ensures that colors appear vibrant and true to life, improving the quality of the work. Eighthly, uniform light distribution is essential for creating a comfortable and productive work environment. Uneven lighting can cause eye strain and fatigue, reducing efficiency and increasing the risk of errors. To achieve uniform light distribution, it is important to carefully consider the placement of the fixtures and the type of light source used. Diffusers can also be used to soften the light and reduce glare. Ninthly, consider incorporating skylights into the design of the shop. Natural light is a valuable asset, providing a healthy and pleasant work environment. Skylights can significantly reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, saving energy and reducing costs. They also improve the overall aesthetics of the space, creating a more inviting and inspiring atmosphere. Tenthly, LED fixtures typically have a much longer lifespan than other types of lighting, reducing the need for frequent replacements. This can save time and money in the long run, as well as reducing waste. LED are also more durable than traditional lighting sources, making them less likely to break or fail. 11thly, while energy-efficient lighting may have a higher initial cost, it can save a significant amount of money over the long term. Energy-efficient fixtures use less electricity, reducing monthly utility bills. They also last longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Over the lifespan of the fixtures, the energy savings can easily offset the initial cost. Finally, it is important to have the lighting fixtures installed by a qualified electrician. A professional electrician can ensure that the fixtures are properly wired and installed, meeting all safety codes and regulations. This will help to prevent electrical hazards and ensure that the lighting system operates safely and efficiently. In summary, selecting the right lighting for a shop involves careful consideration of several factors, including energy efficiency, versatility, color rendering, and light distribution. By choosing the right fixtures and controls, you can create a comfortable, productive, and energy-efficient work environment that enhances the quality of the work and reduces operating costs. Let's talk about each of these points with more technical details. When considering LED panel lights, delve into the specifics of light output measured in lumens. A higher lumen output indicates a brighter light. For general ambient lighting in a shop of that size, aim for around 30 to 50 lumens per square foot. So for a 40 foot by 80 foot shop, which is 3,200 square feet, you would need between 96,000 and 160,000 lumens. Divide this total by the lumen output of each panel to determine how many panels you need. Also, look at the color temperature measured in Kelvin. Warmer temperatures around 2700 Kelvin to 3000 Kelvin create a cozy, inviting atmosphere, while cooler temperatures around 4000 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin provide a more energetic, focused light. For a workshop, a cooler temperature is generally preferred. Pay attention to the power consumption of the LED panels measured in watts. Low wattage means greater energy efficiency. Look for panels with a high lumen per watt ratio to maximize energy savings. When thinking about tape fluorescent fixtures, the ballast factor should be considered. The ballast factor indicates the light output of the fluorescent tube compared to its rated output. Electronic ballasts have a ballast factor closer to 1.0, meaning they produce more light for the same amount of energy. The color rendering index also applies here. Again, aim for a CRI of 80 or higher for good color accuracy. Consider the type of reflector used in the fixture. Reflectors help to direct the light downwards, increasing the efficiency of the fixture. Common reflector types include specular, diffuse, and parabolic. When looking at high bay LED fixtures, consider the beam angle. The beam angle determines the spread of the light. Narrower beam angles are ideal for focused lighting, while wider beam angles are better for general illumination. Common beam angles range from 45 degrees to 120 degrees. Also, consider the mounting height of the fixtures. High bay fixtures are typically mounted at a height of 15 feet or higher. Make sure the fixtures are designed to operate at the intended mounting height. Look at the ingress protection rating, commonly referred to as IP rating. The IP rating indicates the level of protection against dust and moisture. For a workshop environment, look for fixtures with an IP rating of I40 or higher. Dimming controls can be implemented in various ways. Common dimming methods include phase cut dimming, 0 to 10 volts dimming, and digital addressable lighting interface dimming, otherwise known as dolly dimming. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages. Phase cut dimming is typically used for residential applications, while 0 to 10 volts and dolly dimming are more common in commercial settings. For motion sensors, consider the detection range and sensitivity. The detection range determines how far the sensor can detect motion. The sensitivity determines how much motion is required to trigger the sensor. Adjust the detection range and sensitivity to suit the specific needs of the space. Also, consider the hold time. The hold time determines how long the lights stay on after motion is no longer detected. Adjust the hold time to minimize energy waste. Smart lighting systems often use wireless protocols such as Zigbee or Z-Wave to communicate between devices. These protocols allow for remote control and automation of the lighting system. Consider the compatibility of the smart lighting system with other smart home devices. Some systems can be integrated with voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. When thinking about skylights, consider the size and placement of the skylights. Larger skylights provide more natural light, but they can also increase heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter. Place the skylight strategically to maximize natural light and minimize glare. Also, consider the type of glazing used in the skylights. Low E glazing helps to reduce heat gain and heat loss. Diffusers can also be used to soften the light and reduce glare. All of these things need to be considered. When thinking about LED lifespan, LED typically have a lifespan of 50,000 hours or more. This means they can last for many years with minimal maintenance. Compare this to traditional lighting sources such as incandescent bulbs, which have a lifespan of only 1,000 hours. To determine the total cost of ownership, consider the initial cost of the fixtures, the cost of installation, the cost of energy, and the cost of maintenance. Energy-efficient lighting will typically have a higher initial cost, but lower energy and maintenance costs. Finally, professional electrical installation ensures the safety and reliability of the lighting system. A qualified electrician will be familiar with local electrical codes and regulations, ensuring that the installation meets all requirements. They can also provide advice on the best lighting solutions for the space. Local codes and the National Electrical Code Article 220.12 allows for the calculation of general lighting loads based on volt-amperes per square foot. This provides a baseline for ensuring adequate lighting capacity. Article 310.15 outlines requirements for conductor ampacity, ensuring wires are appropriately sized for the lighting load to prevent overheating. Article 400 addresses the use of flexible cords and cables, specifying appropriate applications and limitations. Article 410 covers the installation of lighting fixtures, including mounting, wiring, and clearances. Article 700 addresses emergency lighting systems, which are crucial for safety during power outages. Article 701 covers legally required standby systems, ensuring essential lighting continues to function during power failures. Article 702 deals with optional standby systems, providing lighting for non-essential loads during outages. By adhering to these NEC articles, electrical installations for shop lighting can be executed safely, efficiently, and in compliance with industry standards. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local codes for specific requirements. As a reminder, using a professional electrician and understanding these specific considerations will lead to a well-lit, efficient, and safe shop environment.